What up? Quick pickup from Nordstrom. Picked up a Nike tee. This one was $10. Grabbed off the site. So yeah, show you the tee. This is the Jumpman medium. This is it's like crack print. This is Air Jordan on it. And this nice little teal color. Not too crazy, but yeah, $10 off Nordstrom. Now let's take a look at Focus. Okay, let's take a look at the notre shop. That's what I call it. I won the raffle for the Yeezy 500 blush. So I also won the dazzling blue as well. That one. Package got delayed. Should be coming in tomorrow. So yeah. Right. So got the 500 box. These are the blush. They restocked. I took an L on confirmed out. But yeah, shout out to notre shop. Been blessing me with all these raffle wins. Here it is. The 500 blush. I picked it up when they first released a long time ago. They restocked. Now I'm able to pick up another pair. But yeah, 500 blush. Got a nice suede. These are very comfy. Fire shoe. Hit up the restock. Let me know what you guys think about these. Did you guys hit? Let me know down in the comments. Yeah, and then those Oreos are dropping this Saturday. Definitely gonna go for those. But yeah, quick pickup. Got a W. Let me know what you guys think. Subscribe. More videos. See you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace.